If you've forgotten your Google Calendar password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Google Sign-In page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sign-In page at accounts.google.com. Click on Forgot Password to begin the password reset process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Google Calendar account. Make sure to enter it correctly, then click Next to proceed. Step 3. Verify your identity. Google will prompt you to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, entering a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number, or using two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Step 4. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and enter it twice to confirm. Step 5. Sign in with your new password. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Google Sign-In page and enter your email address along with your new password. Click Sign In to access your Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Google Calendar password and regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting Google's Help Center for further assistance.